So hi friends, in this video we will be learning some basic commands in Linux Mint. So this is my Linux Mint OS and here you will find different options. So what I'll do, I'll open terminal. So in this video we will be learning some basic commands in Linux Mint. So if you open the terminal, it will look like something like this, and then if you want to change the font size and all, you can do it by this. So I'll increase the font size a little so that you all can see what I'm typing. Okay, cool. So this is the screen that you will be seeing after you open the terminal. Okay, now before doing it through terminal, I want to show you something. When you click on the home folder, you are in this folder in which you can see different things. So if you want to see some hidden files in it, so just click on this option, check on that option, and you will be able to see all the files and folders that are available on your Linux Mint system. Cool. So currently you are in this folder, okay, this one on the terminal. By default you are in that folder. If you type ls command, which is used to see all the files and folders in this directory, so you can see the same folders and files which are present here are also here. Okay, and you write question like, why I'm not able to see this files and folder .change.config. So what you can do is ls -a. So now you can see all the files and folders which were available there. The files and folder which starts from dot are basically hidden files, so that you cannot see it. Normal people cannot see it, okay, like this, but it's better. Cool. So this is the use of ls command. Now there are a lot of data on my screen. I just don't want it. I just want it like it was in the beginning. So what I can do is I can close it and reopen the terminal, so it will look like something like this. But rather than doing it again and again, what I can do, okay, what I can do is type clear. So this command clears the screen. Okay, so now you have your normal screen. So what I'll do is I'll use a text editor, so to write all the commands which I am using, so that you can remember it, and you'll find the link for this in the description of the video. Okay, so ls command, folders, and then here we just type ls -a, and to clear the screen we can use clear. Okay, just have to save this on the desktop. Okay, cool. So these were the 3 commands which you can use to see all the files and folders in the current directory. Okay, now let's move on. I want to see what's there in this desktop folder. In this application, what I can do is just double click on it and I can see all the files and folders. But now, how to do it in this terminal? So what you do is you type cd. First of all, you need to see what all folders and files are available. After that, you can just type cd desktop, press enter, and you are now in this folder. Okay, and if you want to know that what all files does this folder has, so just type ls. So now you know that this desktop has new.py and Linux Mint notes. Okay, cool. So you are in this desktop, in this folder. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to the previous folder in which you were in. So you just have to press this arrow. Now you are back. Now you are in this folder. How to do it in this terminal? So you just type cd dot, press enter, and now you are not cd dot but cd dot dot. Okay, so you just have to type cd dot dot and you are back into home folder. Now if I do ls, and you can see I'm able to see all these options which are there in the home folder. So basically this this symbol means home folder. For example, if I do cd like this, so I'll get into the home folder. Okay, now I'll give you an example. For example, I'm in the desktop and I want to go to the home folder. So what I can do is I can just type this and I can get into the home folder. But what if I'm in a complex directory? For example, this. So for example, I'm in this directory and now I want to go to home folder. So how I can do it? I can just go and type cd slash this. Okay, so now I'm in the home folder. So hope you understand what's the use of this command. So it's just used for go to the home folder. Okay, and now what we can do is how I can create a new folder. For example, if I go and do it on, for example, in the documents, I'll double click on the documents, then right click, create a new folder, and I have to name it, for example, Leo. Okay, cool. I can do it in this way, or what I can do is cd documents, press enter, then mkdir and the name of that folder, press enter and type ls. Now you can see the document folder has a folder named Leo. You can also verify from this. This is a home folder in which all the folders are there, and then documents. Now you can see Leo. Now what we can do is cd Leo. So now I'm in this folder. You can see ls. So there's nothing. So no output. What I can do is mkdir, create a new folder, Leo. Okay. So now you can see that Leo folder has another folder called Leo. Okay. So I hope you are able to understand. Now if you want to go into that folder, you can use Leo. Now I'm in this folder. Now to go back, what I'll do, cd dot. So if I've written the notes, no I haven't. So I'll write what you need to do, cd dot. Okay. Now to go back into documents folder, so what I'll do, cd dot. Okay, cool. Now ls. So what if I want to delete this folder? So what I can do is rmdir. To create a folder, what is the command? To create a folder, mkdir and then name of the folder. Okay, so to delete it, what I can do is rmdir Leo, but it won't. Why? Because it's saying fail to remove Leo directory not empty. It means rmdir cannot delete a folder if it's not empty. And why it's not empty? Because Leo has another folder named Leo. So first we need to remove this. Cool. Now it doesn't have that folder. I'll just click back and remove this folder. Now we don't have this folder. Okay, so to an empty folder, name of the folder. Cool. But what if I don't want to delete all the folders, subfolders? So what I can do is okay, so we have this structure now, which means documents has another folder in it called Leo, and it has another folder Leo. So I want to delete this folder, but not delete, but I don't want to go inside of it and delete all the things. And then so what I can do is rmdir minus r Leo. So to delete an folder which is not empty, what you can do is rm -r and then name of the folder. So now dio is deleted. So this is the command to delete and an folder which is not empty. So this is the basic command which you can use to create, delete folders in Linux Mint and navigate. Cool. So I'll end this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see each other in some other video. Bye bye.